Mastering phrasal verbs in context. A journey through reading exercises. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our video series on intermediate English grammar. Today, we're venturing deeper into the captivating world of phrasal verbs. We're not only going to understand these versatile structures but also practice using phrasal verbs in everyday conversation. So, grab your notebooks and let's dive in. Phrasal verbs are an integral part of English, combining a verb and a preposition or an adverb. They often carry a completely different meaning than the original verb. For example, the verb give up means to stop trying, quite different from the verb give. Today, we're focusing on how to master these phrasal verbs in a real-world context, providing you with an authentic experience of how they are used in everyday language. To help us practice, we've prepared a short story. As we read along, try to identify the phrasal verbs used and note down what you think they mean based on the context. Samantha decided to set off for her journey early in the morning. She wanted to catch up with her friends who had moved to the city. It took her a while to figure out the subway system, but she didn't give up. Samantha bumped into an old friend in the city who filled her in about the latest happenings. By the end of the day, she was ready to wind down. Did you notice the phrasal verbs? Let's break them down. Set off, to start a journey. Catch up, to reach the same quality or standard as someone or something else. Figure out, to understand or solve something. Give up, to stop trying. Bump into, to meet someone unexpectedly. Fill in, to provide someone with information. Wind down, to relax or end something gradually. Now that we understand these phrasal verbs, let's practice using them in different sentences. 1. Can you set off for your trip after lunch? 2. I need to catch up on my homework this weekend. 3. She couldn't figure out why her friend was upset. 4. Don't give up on your dreams, no matter how hard it gets. 5. I bumped into my old teacher at the supermarket. 6. Could you fill me in on the meeting I missed yesterday? 7. After a long day at work, I like to wind down with a good book. Take time to create your own sentences using these phrasal verbs, as this will help reinforce your understanding and usage. Well, that's a wrap for today's lesson on phrasal verbs in context. We've explored their meanings and used them in practical sentences. Keep practicing, and you'll master these in no time. Remember, learning a language is a marathon, not a sprint. As always, keep reading, keep practicing, and keep your curiosity alive. We hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, happy learning!